Hi there! In this video we will solve the 7th grade Math Olympiad question. Let's read the question. In the figure ABC and CDE are congruent equilateral triangles. If the measure of angle ACD is 70 degrees, what is the measure of angle ABD? So we are given two congruent equilateral triangles, so we can place the angles in those triangles. So this is total. There are two angles here, adjacent angles. So total is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. This right here we don't know, and this is 60, this one 60, and this one 60. So this is given to us. So these side lengths are all equal. So this AC is equal to other angle, so I'm not gonna put anything there. So I can see that this right here is an isosceles triangle. So these two lines are equal. So this is the key point in our question. So if we say this angle X and this angle should be, this acute angle should be X as well. So I can draw an equation. So interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So I have 60 plus 70, which makes 130. 130 plus X must be equal to 180. So 2X equals 50. How? We need to subtract 130 from both sides, and we need to divide to 2 each side, then X will be equal to 25. So this angle is 25 here. So the question mark is the green angle, here is the unknown, what we are asked. I can write another equation. So those adjacent angles should make 60 degree. Question mark plus 25 degree should be equal to 60 degree. Take away 25 from both sides. This is our solution. So the green angle question mark is equal to 35 degree. I hope you enjoyed the solution and you liked this question. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on. I will see you in the next video. Bye.